Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your Samsung A15 5G and opening settings. This gets you to system controls quickly. Tap sounds and vibration because this menu centralizes ringtones, notification tones, and system sounds, so you change everything from one place. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb is off and volume is audible. Otherwise, you won't hear changes. This step avoids confusion later and ensures the tone you pick. Now you tap notification sound to list available tones. This is where you pick the sound that plays for alerts. You can preview each option by tapping it. You hear it immediately so you compare choices. If you want a custom file, choose Add or My Sounds and navigate your storage to pick an MP3 or WAV. Android supports common formats. Make sure the file is short and clear. Long or low-volume files may be hard to hear as notifications. Finally, save your selection by tapping Done or Save so the new notification sound applies system-wide. You should test it immediately by sending yourself a message or using the sound picker's preview to confirm volume and clarity. If you don't hear it, check app-specific notification settings since some apps override system tones. Also verify notification permissions and that media volume isn't linked incorrectly. If problems persist, restart the phone to refresh system services and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.